Hi everyone, and welcome to my video about the 2033 summer fashion trends for women. In this video, I'll be sharing some of the hottest trends that you'll be seeing all summer long. So whether you're looking for new clothes to wear to the beach, or just want to update your everyday wardrobe, I've got you covered. So let's get started. One of the biggest trends for summer 2033 is going to be sheer fabrics. Sheer tops, dresses, and skirts are perfect for keeping cool on hot days, and they can also be dressed up or down. If you're not sure how to wear sheer fabrics, I recommend pairing them with a solid colored bra or tank top. Another trend that's going to be big this summer is floral prints. Florals are a classic choice for summer, and they can be found in a variety of styles and colors. Whether you're looking for a flowy sundress or a more structured skirt, there's a floral print out there for you. If you're looking for something a little more edgy, you can't go wrong with biker shorts. Biker shorts have been making a comeback in recent years, and they're perfect for a casual summer look. You can pair them with a t-shirt or tank top, and add some sneakers or sandals for a comfortable and stylish outfit. Finally, no summer wardrobe would be complete without a pair of sunglasses. Sunglasses are not only essential for protecting your eyes from the sun, but they can also add a touch of style to any outfit. This summer, look for sunglasses with oversized frames or bold colors.